morning. Got the coffee here. Quick tutorial, a couple seconds, guys. Here's the dashboard of EasyBlog. I hope everyone knows how to get here. Obviously, navigate EasyBlog. It'll bring you right here to the dashboard. Real quick overview. You can see your most recent posts, your most recent comments, your most recent pending and reactions. So basically, on the top tab here, we have posts, which you can see we've created a few recently. August, yeah. Here's our most recent posts. Here's our most recent comments. We have nothing pending because we actually addressed this, and reactions. And then just another quick overview here on the dashboard. You have, again, your posts, your comments, your categories, your tags, so you can easily navigate to those if you need be. That's it, guys. Have a good one.